Hey Myra, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So taking a quick look at your website, seeing what's going on, and seeing if there's anything we can do to help. So right off of the bat, you got all this, connection stuff over here that can go all the way on the bottom of the page. Same thing with all this over here. Call us, great. Leave that here. If not, push it down over here a little bit. You do have your services. I would put everything like painting services, wallpapering, cabinet painting, power washing, all under one thing called services, and have that as one giant drop-down menu. Just people get weird about too many options. Just anyway, not options. I would say just kind of how it all looks. Now I do like the contact, and I don't know what all this is, but that's fine. Just going through. That's fine that it follows you a little bit. That's okay. Experienced painting contractors serving Warren, Morris, Union, Passaic, Hudson, Essex. I was born in Passaic. Anyway, Jordan Painting LLC. Talking about a little bit of who you are. Our service is great. Okay, you have this, but unfortunately, I don't see you talking about it. You definitely want to talk about each and everything that you do. Um, Commercial painting? What about exterior painting or interior painting? I know, I'm just giving you a hard time. What about texture repair? What about popcorn ceiling removal? What about I don't know, drywall repair, stuff like that. Like there's so many different things you're missing that's not on your website over here. And then where you serve. Okay, honestly, solid website. Nothing like that pops out really. Like there's definitely a lot you can do. For example, right, Google likes content, right? They really want to see about 1,500, 2,000 words of content on your homepage. And that will really kind of set you apart. Now you are, I did find that when I searched for, just the generic painters, Newark, New Jersey, um, this is what I found, right? So we got, Google guaranteed. It's sponsored. We got businesses for GMB CertaPro is actually doing an ad for that, but you want to be in the GMB. Looks like you already are. About 30-40% of people will come through here and click on the website button. So that's good. And you got a good amount. You only have 35. Definitely can use a little bit more. When you finish a job, ask them for a review right then and there. But then we got Yelp. This is your organic search, which means that anyone can rank here really well as long as you know what you're doing. But Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List are kind of beating out the top three spots. We got Thumbtack, Use, and then finally you. So you come up again. Now that's great. Here's the issue. You're number 6. So let's take a look at the back end of your website, see what's going on. So right now you're jordanpainting.com. Your UR rating is 19. That's how much Google trusts your website. And then a DR rating is 2.6. That's how much Google trusts you guys. So this is for the website, how strong it is. This is for how much it trusts. Now you do have an exorbitant amount of backlinks. Now a backlink is where, you're connected to another site and like your website link is somewhere else. Somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it comes back to you. Now you only have 37 that come back as claimed as a referring domain, and actually only 12 of them do come back. So that ratio of less than 1% is terrible. But anyway, you do have 69 organic keywords, and you are bringing in 114 people. Now, there's way more people than that in Trenton. So I don't know. I mean, not Trenton, Newark. So I don't know why you're not ranking for those guys too. But let's take a look behind the scenes, see what kind of keywords you're ranking for, and if you can or we can help. So right off the bat, Jordan Painting, Jordan Paintings, and Jordan Paint. I guess Jordan Painting. So these guys are what we would call international keywords. So I mean, you might have a lot of repeat traffic through it. I don't know what what it is, but essentially you have a lot of people searching for international keywords. Now, all these 76 people, some of them might live in Newark, New Jersey, but a lot of them might live in Texas or Kansas City or Ohio. You have no idea simply because it's an international keyword. What you want is something that's very location specific, like Newark Painter. That's excellent, right? 200 people a month are searching for it. You're getting 5 of them because you're in barely the first page, probably the second page. What I typed in, painters Newark. Where's that? Huh. Everything else is on the second, third, fourth page. Okay, so not great. If anyone put different variations of, painters Newark, New Jersey, you wouldn't be found. So how does this really help you out? What can we do? Because I mean, I can look at CertaPro and all the other people that are in the area, but I'm not going to do that. So if you really want to take up the top spots, if you really want to get a lot more people into your website, I would say it's kind of understanding what it is you're looking for as far as organic keywords go. You got to get more content on your homepage to fit for those keywords, and then on top of that, we got to get good referring domains because you have a lot of clutter as far as backlinks go, and that's not really going to help you. That's actually going to hurt you a lot more than help you. So backlinks is a must, and then we have organic keywords, and then obviously content. But that's really all I got. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you guys have a good one.